Are you a struggling yoga teacher who just needs some help with your yoga business? Or you're tired of marketing and how boring it is? I'm Elise Michelle Nelson. I'm a YouTube business strategist and lead generator, which means that I help you use video to create visibility and generate leads for your business. Today I'm going to show you how yoga business owners easily find video ideas that get views in this Gamify Your Business video. So here's the game plan for today. We're going to use this four-sided dice to decide where to get our next video idea for yoga teachers. And each side is going to represent a different strategy. Let's clear the board so that we can play. Before we continue, please like this video and drop your niche in the comments if you'd like me to do a video like this for your industry. Now let's take a look at all of our options. Option 1 is to steal from others. This means you're going to look at your industry, others that are doing really well, and you're going to steal an idea from them and do it better. Option 2 is to remake my video. This means you're going to look at some of your content that has done well, you're going to remake it and improve it and do it again. Option 3 is a frequently asked question. This means that you are going to use Google to find a question that your ideal audience is asking and answer it for them. And option 4 is a product or service. This means that you are going to actually do a video specifically about one of your products or services. Be sure to check out the Create Visibility and Generate Leads with YouTube playlist to learn more about how the second largest search engine in the world, YouTube, makes increasing your business revenue and getting free traffic without ads possible for small business owners. In this series, I'll be covering the top tips and strategies to build success with video on YouTube. All right, so let's go ahead and roll the dice and see which of these 4 options we're going to be doing today. We got a number 2. We're going to remake one of your existing videos. We're going to start with Yoga with Adriene. I've actually used her in a couple of my courses that I've taught. She's an excellent example. So if you're a yoga teacher, I highly recommend that you take a look at her channel and use her as someone to inspire you with what you're going to do with your next yoga video. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to her videos and we are going to go to popular. So in this example, we are saying that this is your channel, right? So I'm going to give Yoga with Adriene some ideas for her videos. And it's going to sort them by basically the most popular. This one has 53 million views, okay? Now it's from 10 years ago, so it's had a lot of time to get that number of views. But the fact that it's had 53 million views means that this is probably a pretty good video to be doing, right? And if we look at it, it looks like that may be the only one that's up for beginners that showed up. So I'm actually going to just double check that. I want to see if she's already tried to remake this video. So she has one from 2 years ago, which got 2.2 million views. Okay, so I see she's got a playlist for beginners. That's super smart. If you have a top trending video, making a playlist around it is a very smart strategy. So let's go ahead and look at this. She obviously recognized that this was a good topic for her and made a playlist around it. And so that's exactly what you should do. So you can see here she has 15 videos in this playlist. And once one of them is seen, it will continue to show them the other videos in the playlist. So that's a really good strategy. She's got this video was the $53 million one. So yoga for complete convenience. Okay. So that one is right here in the playlist. I would actually probably have put this at the beginning because then they would see all of these videos when you share the link with the playlist, but that would just be me. Another yoga for beginners. Okay. She clearly recognized that this was a good video for her and went ahead and did more videos like it. Let's see when her last time was here. So none of these look like they say beginner in them. So it has been a while since she's done a beginner video. So if this was your channel, I would recommend you do another beginner video because it looks like it's been a while since you've done one. And this would be a really great video for you to do based upon the fact that one is your best video. You can also look at some of the other ones. So 30 days of yoga. Looks like maybe that did well for her. A deep stretch for upper neck and body. So she's got a variety here of ones that have done well. Here's neck and shoulder, which this one was also neck and shoulder. So we've got 2 showing up in neck and shoulder, 2 for back. 30 days of yoga. It looks like a couple of these ones hit for her. So that was clearly a good series. Couple that say morning. So here's several that say morning. So if it was me and I was looking for my next couple of videos, I would do a yoga for beginners. I would do one that talks about yoga in the morning. I would do one that is talking about neck and shoulders and or neck, back, and shoulders. Either make that one video or two, so shoulders versus back, or the all three together. Those are the next videos that I would make based upon her channel of what has worked well for her in the past. So that is exactly what you need to do with your business, is you need to go and look and see what has done well. Now, obviously, I can't see her analytics because this is not my channel. If you were able to look at your analytics, there are a few other things that you could do to figure out what video is the best one for you. Also, if you haven't been putting out video content very long, it may not be clear. You probably don't have a video that's gotten millions of views. But which video has gotten the most views and how long has it been since you put it out? If it's been a little while, remaking that video or making a playlist around it is a really smart strategy. So that would be the first thing that I would look at. I would look at your videos, what's the most popular, and start there. Is there anything that's repeated that people have watched again and again? Definitely use that one. If you don't see these stats on your channel, it's because you're not using VidIQ and TubeBuddy to get the stats for you. So I highly recommend that you download those extensions, VidIQ and TubeBuddy. They are free extensions to install, and they give you a lot of statistics about videos that you happen to be looking at on YouTube. They're also how I find trending keywords to use to make my videos stand out and be found in search for years to come, so that I can continue to get a constant flow of new leads into my business. So that is the first option for seeing which videos are trending. It's something that anybody can do on any channel. It doesn't have to be yours, but if we're talking about your channel, you do have some additional options. Option one, go into your analytics. So you're gonna go to studio.youtube.com, and you're gonna come down here on the left side and click on analytics, and you're gonna look at your real-time analytics. You're gonna click on see more, and you're gonna look at videos that have been seen within the last 48 hours that are older than 6 months. So this was published June 11th of 2024, so that was just yesterday. So this one does not count. You want to look at ones that are more than 6 months old. So this is from 2022. It is still continuing to get views. So Learn How to Post on TikTok with Magical would be a video that would be a really good one for me to remake. So you can go through, you're going to look and see any video that's listed here within the last 48 hours that is older than 6 months is a good video for you to remake for your channel. So that is a second way that you can find a video that is your video that you can remake. And I have a third way as well. If you want to learn how to make marketing fun for your business and you want to grab my Make Marketing Fun Game Pack Plus Notepad, you can do that by going to myschedulebiz.com/cohort. Let's jump into our final option. So for this option, you're going to, again, go to studio.youtube.com. You're going to click on Analytics, and then you're going to go to Advanced Mode. And when you are in Advanced Mode, there are some certain settings I want you to use. So what you're going to do is you're going to come to this little plus sign, you're going to click on it, and you're going to make sure that you have all the same things at the headers that I do. So you want to have watch time, average view duration, average percentage viewed, views, impressions, click-through rate, impressions, subscribers, comments added, likes versus dislikes, and shares. Because these are the stats that you really want to be looking at to determine which of your videos are doing the best. Once you have all those turned on by simply clicking the plus and finding them in the list and clicking on them, you should save this link. It will make it so that every single time you come into these analytics, you always have these tabs shown and you won't have to add them every single time. So do that. That's a little tip for you. This will make it easier for you in the future. Once you've done that, then I recommend that you come up and you set your filter, and you're going to go to content type, videos. Now you can also do this for your live streams and your shorts, but I recommend comparing apples to apples. So right now we're talking specifically about videos, and then hit apply. And what you're going to do is you're going to sort by clicking on the title for watch time, views, and impressions click-through rate. Then you're going to see which of your videos have the highest of each of those. And those are going to be good indicators that you might want to repeat those videos as well. Of course, go and take a look at how long it's been since you've posted them, and consider making a playlist around them and or creating one or more videos around that same topic. So that is how you are going to use the Make Marketing Fun Game Pack to make choosing how you're going to do your next video a little bit more fun. And if you want to see more examples, keep tuning in here. Make sure you subscribe and like this channel and turn on notifications so that you'll be notified every time I release a new video to help you make marketing fun for your business. I am so glad we get to live our dreams together every single day, and I hope to see you next time.